In this video, I'm going to discuss the difference between reversing a list with slice notation and the reverse method that we just covered. So again, let's just begin with this list. And we learned about previously how to reverse a list with slice notation. And to do this is do colon, colon, -1. So basically just have a step size of -1. This reverses it, but notice this, what it does is it creates an entire new list in memory. So let me just assign this to some variable called new list. It does not change the underlying list. So slice notation returns an entire new list in memory that is not associated with the original list. Okay, so new list is something different. We can obviously verify this. It is not referring to the same underlying list. Now, I can reverse our original list, a_list, like this, and nothing happens here. Nothing is returned. Notice how this is very different than this slice notation, which did return something. An entirely new list. So now a list is reversed, but it's still, and I can just copy and paste this, it's still not the same list. They're still, as this new list, they are still two different lists. They just happen to have the same values now. And as we'll see in a little bit, you can use equals to test equality of them. So they do have the same values, but they are not referring to the same underlying list. So again, in summary, using the slice notation reverses a list but produces a new list entirely. It does not affect the underlying list, right? So it does not mutate it. When you call the reverse method, it does mutate the list that's calling that method, like this. So that is the little summary, and that's the difference between reversing a list using slice notation and the reverse method.